Hello, this is Richard over here at Palm Harbor Homes, and I am going to show you our Sommerset model featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Starting in the kitchen, you get a huge island. We're talking 6 feet by over 3 feet wide. So if you like to cook, bake, you got plenty of room to put in there. Overhead cabinets. What we did here is we put hardwood cabinet doors with handles. So you can grab them here, so when you're cooking, you don't have to touch the cabinets, grab the handles. We have our farm sink, stainless steel. And this is available on our Sommerset. I'm gonna show you a lot of other features in the home. But before we do that, I want you to know that this home is on sale at our locations, so you owe it to yourself to come visit Palm Harbor Homes to get an amazing deal. Features like tape and textured walls, 8.5-foot flat ceilings, dual pane windows, upgraded appliances. Walk this house, give us a call to view in person. Thank you.